Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we share the best tech tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today I'm going to show you how to delete sent emails in Gmail. Whether you sent something by mistake or just want to clean up your sent folder, this tutorial will help you through the steps. Let's get started. First, open up your web browser and go to gmail.com. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to delete sent emails. Once you are in your inbox, look at left side of the screen and click on Send to open your sent emails folder. Now you will see a list of emails you have sent. To delete individual emails, hover over to the email you want to delete and click on trash icon that appears on the right side. If you want to delete multiple at once, click on checkbox next to email you want to delete. Once you have selected all emails, click on trash icon. Gmail will move this email trash folder to permanently navigate to trash folder on the left hand side. In the trash folder, you can see wait for Gmail to automatically delete these emails after 30 days, or you can manually delete them immediately. To do so, click on email and click on delete forever. And that's it. You have successfully deleted your sent emails in Gmail. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. If you have any questions, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching.